Hi guys, today I will show you how to convert the old fluorescent light bulb to LED like this. First I want to show you the type of LED that I have. Sometimes they are different, so we must know what we have exactly. So because of that we must make measurement. I will check with diode continuity test. We'll touch in this end, we'll touch the two tips, and it is 0, so we have continuity. So these two pins, these two legs are connected, but we must measure the other side too. Let's see this end too. Yes, same thing. Again we have continuity. On this multimeter I don't have buzzer, but I will show you with the other one. I have buzzer on this, so you can hear. So how we can convert this fluorescent light to base? So what we need? We will remove the ballast. We will remove the starter. We will remove them. And I start. Okay, now I'm removing the ballast. Okay, we removed the ballast. You must cut the starter from there. I almost cut it before. So we will remove this starter base too. We don't need it. Now we have only the base without starter and without ballast. Let me show you. Like that. So for the conversion, what I must do? On this end we have two white cables. So this will go to neutral. Also, I don't need this cable to go to other side. I will cut it from there. And we'll strip the end. And we'll connect it there. So what we have, this side is ready. So for the other side, it will be the line. It's marked there. So one is the neutral, and the other side is the phase, the line. I'll use a red cable. Also because it's not so long, I will extend it with this white cable. And it will go, when I extend it, it will go to the other side. And we are ready to connect them. I will use pliers. Okay, we are ready. We'll use some tape. I turned to the other side. Okay. We will strip this end too. I will remove this. I didn't succeed. I will cut it directly. And we'll put it there in the hole. So this means I will connect it. And we are ready. Okay. Also, I will pull out this cable, we don't need it. I will cut it. I will strip the end again. And we are ready. We will remove this piece. But I can't. Okay, I will put it directly like that. And that's it. We are ready. But the one problem for me is that now I will show you. My base is shorter than my LED light tube. So what I will do, I will cut it from there and will use some wooden piece to extend it. Now I will cut it. We are ready. Okay. Let me show you how it will extend. That's it for that side. Let's measure. And let me show you. That's it. Now we will test it. Now I have power cable there. I will use these two cables, the brown for the line to red one, and the blue to the white, so natural. Okay, I will connect now. I'll screw. Okay, this is ready. And now for natural, the blue one. And we are ready. Okay, now we will test. And that's it. Our LED now lights. And that's it. We are ready. We installed the LED light bulb. Bye.